Hi Tritons, this is Simon here with the Triton Transfer Hub, here with your weekly Transfer Triton tip. Today we'll be talking about WebReg. As you may know, the schedule of classes for the winter 2024 quarter are now available on WebReg. You can plan your courses as well as see your enrollment time. Let's look at an example of how to use the different WebReg features. On the screen right now, I have the description for Chem 151, Molecules That Change the World. In this video, we'll go over 4 subcategories: the book, the catalog tab, the prerequisites tab, and the evaluations tab. First, let's look at the book tab. This is the screen that will pop up once you click the book tab on WebReg. Once you've enrolled in your classes, you're able to insert your PID here and see all the textbooks that you need for the course. Given that the schedule of classes was just released, you cannot at this time look at what books are necessary for the course, but once enrolled, you should be able to see the textbooks. Next, let's view the catalog tab. After clicking the catalog tab, I'm brought to this page where I'm given a more in-depth description of what Molecules That Change the World will entail. The screen also shows the prerequisites for the class, which can also be viewed on WebReg itself. To view the prerequisites for the course, you'll click on the prerequisites button circled on the screen. After you click the prerequisites button, you'll see a pop-up similar to the one shown on the top of the screen here. You'll see that for this class, I need to take Chem 40A or Chem 40AH or Chem 41A in order to take Molecules That Change the World. Lastly, let's look at the evaluations tab. After clicking the evaluations tab, you'll be brought to the CAPES page where you can view past evaluations for the course by students. For example, in winter 2023, the average grade expected was an A-, and that also was the average grade received. The last tip I'll show in this video is the advanced search button on WebReg. Here, you're able to have a more in-depth selection of the course you're looking for. Say you have a small 2-hour gap in your schedule that you're looking to fill on Monday, Wednesday, you're able to select that on the right-hand side by selecting the days Monday, Wednesday, and searching the restrictions on the start and end time. I hope this video helped, and best of luck with your winter 2024 registration.